A good morning routine can really set the productivity tone for the rest of the day. Some days you're dialed into every detail, cooking a big breakfast, experimenting with new hairstyles, trying to meditate. Other days, well, you shirk routine and slip into the office through the back door with yesterday's shirt on and a breath of fresh air for breakfast. It happens. While a great morning moment can feel pretty magical, there's more to the perfectly productive day than mystical forces at work. A morning routine that leads to productivity is in fact a science that you can implement in your own life. But is there a right way to have a productive morning? Does it really lie in a morning ritual and healthy breakfast? After analyzing the advice and routines of 6 top productivity experts, it became clear that there are a few important elements that many successful people include as part of their day to have a productive morning. Productive morning habits that work for everyone. 1. Wake up at your right time. 2. Eliminate decision-making tasks in the morning. 3. Create a morning routine to focus your mind. 4. Move around and hydrate. 5. Eat the frog, or tadpoles.